Welcome to the AirGuard PM2.5 Quick Start tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through how to use your AirGuard PM2.5 monitor. Power on the device. Long press the Wi-Fi button until the icon starts flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. Open the app and scan the QR code on the device. Then just follow the prompts to finish setup. If you don't want to use the app, you can still operate the device locally through the menu mode. Short press the setting button until the temperature unit starts flashing. That means you've entered menu mode. Short press the circle button to cycle through the parameters available for adjustment. The one that's flashing is the one you can adjust. When the temperature unit is flashing, short press the plus button or minus button to switch between DGC and DGF. When the temperature value is flashing, short press the plus button or minus button to manually calibrate the temperature. When the target item begins to flash, short press the plus button or minus button to switch between PM2.5 and PM10. When the humidity value is flashing, short press the plus button or minus button to manually calibrate the humidity. In menu mode, if there is no button operation for 3 seconds, the device will automatically save the current settings and exit the menu mode. Alternatively, you can exit menu mode by pressing the circle button again after cycling through all available parameters. When the buzzer is off, short press to turn it on or off. If the buzzer goes off, short press once to silence it for 30 minutes. Short press again to turn it off completely. Long press for 3 seconds to turn the indicator light on or off. And if you ever need more help, check the manual or reach out to our support team anytime.